How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to enable USB debugging on Samsung. So the first thing we need to do is enable developer options. So if you haven't already done that, I'll show you how to do it. Come into your settings and scroll to the very bottom to find the About Phone menu. From here, press on Software Information and then locate your build number, and then what you want to do is quickly tap it 7 times. Right, so then it'll ask you for your password, and as you can see, developer mode has been enabled. So come back into the main menu and you'll see developer options. So come in here and scroll down until you find USB debugging, which is here, and simply enable it.